Okay. First episode of the gaming channel. Sway. I'm playing a house flipper game. I played it a little bit before. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Okay. Go away. Go away. I don't care. Go away. Okay. I play this a little on my own, but I decided to kind of re-download it and restart it. Y'all a mess. And a mess in here. It's nasty. I guess I can do like stories, since this is more of a calming game. Yeah, I'll do that. I guess that's what I'm gonna do, and play content. If you guys have any mobile games, like, I'll play some mobile horror games and crap. If you guys have any, like, ideas of what you guys want me to play, I'm currently saving up to buy myself a computer, so once I get that set up, I'll start recording on that, and possibly getting you guys better content, 'cause right now I don't think my stuff's the greatest. It's really not. I don't want to move it. It's filthy in here. Whoever owned this before me did not take good care of it. We got the magic brush. Who needs a vacuum when you got the magic brush? This game was actually what inspired me to make the gaming channel, so, because I got bored and animate. I don't always have time to play animated and do animations and everything, and I just like to sometimes sit down and play games. So I thought, why don't I put used to that? This is not my first time attempting a gaming channel. These videos will start off kind of short, just until I have everything officially set up. But thank you. So then there'll be at least a good couple minutes, if this even works. Excuse me, sir. You're in my way. Please move. Ah, hold on. I need to check it. It's already 3 minutes left. My God. Yes, I'm using a screen recorder. Don't touch. Don't touch. I used to do this back when I first started my original first ever channel. Ow. I slapped myself in the face. Jump on the toilet. Is that blood? Is that blood? Did somebody kill someone in here? This is Cross's first house, and he killed someone in here. We just don't know it. We just don't know it. Ah! Laggy. Okay, tablet, I get it. Shut up. I'm playing the game. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're just gonna. That's not. We didn't see that. We didn't see that. I will do live streams as well. I will. Yes, I do live streams too. Yes. Run in the grass. Hit my face. Oh my God, you can see it from here. Ew, disgusting. I might as well go clean it up. Why is there? This is my outside bed. Why would I suck garbage? It's my outside bed. I might do live streams on my main channel. I don't know. I don't have anything set up. I don't think I will be able to. I think I'll finish up this. I won't be able to do a long video today because I have the Easter special to make and I've got animation. I got things to do. Plus, this is already 5 minutes. What is this? Are these great? What are these? Why is there a brick? Oh, that's a tree. So you weren't hiding anything. I would expect you to hide something. What the? Is this a part of a roof? Did this come off my roof? Where does it go? Do we just eat it? Am I like a goat person? Is that where this is going? That's garbage. That's garbage. This is garbage. This is just a bike frame. Well, you got a bike frame. Why do I got all this? Why do I have 2 bike frames? That just have a seat. The heck? Yes, I know it's gonna be laggy because it's not the greatest of a game. But you know what? Markiplier played worse. I don't know why I used Markiplier. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm mistaken. I'm having troubles. Pick up the fucking TV. Thank you. I can't see where I'm going. It's very laggy. But you get used to it. Okay. Spin around. Okay. I'm going to sadly have to end it here. I know I've been playing for a good couple minutes. But I honestly don't have the time. So, see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.